Is it just me, or do you find yourself telling people who ask you a question that you don't know the answer to just Google it? Google is one of the biggest companies in the world, and every day, millions of people use it to find information, learn about new trends, follow their favorite celebrities on social media, read, watch movies, and go to websites. Did you know, though, that a simple Google trick can make you a lot of money? You only need your phone or computer and a way to connect to the internet. No matter where you are in the world, you can use this method. Keep watching until the end of the video to learn more about this strategy and maybe make up to $499 each day. I want you to go to Google and type in Google News, or you can just go to news.google.com if you prefer. You'll be taken to this page, but if you want Google to pay you, pay close attention to the news categories on the left side of the page. People want to know more about business, technology, entertainment, sports, and their health right now. If you click on one of these links, you will find news about that area. There are a lot of professional-looking articles here, so choose one that interests you for the next step. After choosing one, just click on the link to go to the official article, which has all the news about the topic we chose. Here comes the magic. Using Google News and professional articles from other people is a great way to make money. Just copy either these sentences or the whole paragraph. Visit spinbot.com before we move on to the next step. As you can see, Spinbot is a free tool for rewriting text. It changes the way words are written, and all you have to do to use it is paste the paragraph we just copied here and click this button. Just paste the paragraph here to start the waiting game. Spinbot will help you completely rewrite the article into something new and different. To do this, copy the paragraph and paste it here, then press this button. Google and AI can be used to rewrite articles, make them more your own, and turn them into content that can't be compared to anything else. This is a great way to make a lot of money. I think most of you know something about this. To finish the third step, you have to go to 3 different websites. Stay with me until the end of the video to learn more about each one. When you go to more websites, you make more money. TextBroker is the first website. That's textbroker.com. When you get to the home page, click on I write content at the top, then click on Payment. They'll tell you how much money you could make. You can get paid right away, but it all depends on how good your articles are. You'll be given a star rating, and different ratings mean that you'll get paid different amounts per word on this website. Again, you don't have to write your articles, and you don't need writing experience or skills to do this. All you have to do is go to Google News and look for other people's articles. The powerful Spinbot will then rewrite the whole article, and the exciting part is that you can get paid just to search on Google. You can do this, and anyone can do this. If you use high-quality Google articles, you'll get ratings of 4 to 5 stars, which will earn you a lot of money. It's one of the easiest strategies I've seen in a while for beginners to understand, and you can combine multiple articles into one to increase the word count and your earnings. Here are some good reasons to sign up right away with TextBroker. It's free to join, you have a lot of time freedom, you can submit as many articles as you want, and they pay you every week. Once you've earned $10, you can start putting money directly into your account. Keep watching because I'll show you 2 more websites where you may get paid for submitting articles written by other people. The second website we have is thewriter.com. To use a writer, you just need to do 5 easy things. Step 1. Make an account for free. Step 2. Tell them what kind of work you want to do. You must first choose the category for the articles you want to write. You can choose from popular categories like business, technology, entertainment, etc., as you can see. Step 3. A writer sends you your content. Step 4. Look over our content and decide whether to accept it or not. Step 5. Have people download your content and pay you. As this page shows, they will pay you well here. Your earnings will depend on what customers buy under Elite. For 300 words, that's about $8.05. If you go higher, and let's assume you're serious about this, for 4,000 words, that's about $95. The good news is that if you write high-quality articles, like those from Google News, you can join the Elite Plus category and earn up to $300 for 3,500 words. That's a lot of money. By submitting it to textbroker.com and earwriter.com, you can use the same article over and over again. Just think about how much money you could make with just one article on multiple websites. Again, it's free to sign up for these sites. Before we go any further, I'll give you a chance to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you liked the video so far. And if you thought this video was interesting and helpful, please leave a comment. Now that we're back to the video, we'll go to the third website we're going to show you today, which is called Scripted. I want you to go to scripted.com because they usually pay you for any articles you write. All you have to do is click the button to become a writer, which will take you to this page where you can apply to work as a freelancer unscripted and submit your application right here. You can work in any field or category these days. Google and Google News are so popular because they cover the most popular and up-to-date topics that people want to know about. There are just too many places to get news and articles, and they keep updating them every day. This is true for science, technology, entertainment, and even health. Since no one else is talking about this method, my goal is to show you guys the most innovative and cutting-edge technology. You can rewrite an article using an AI program called Spinbot. This is a great way to start, especially for newbies, and payment is guaranteed here. You can get paid right away 15 days after being accepted, and you can set your price based on the two websites above. By charging more, you can almost double your earnings because they pay well and let you work whenever and wherever you want. At the moment, they're taking applications from more than 25 countries. Clicking the Apply Now button will bring you to this page where you can finish signing up for a free account. To get paid by Google, use Google and Google News to find multiple articles, rewrite them, and submit them to 3 different websites. That's the end. Check out my other videos if you like this kind of content. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment. Stay tuned for the next video.